Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve multi-step equations in work problems. Before we're gonna start, make sure you master how to solve one-step equation, two-step equations, and multi-step equations. If you don't know how to, please check out the previous video for more information. Alright, let's pause the video and give you a try. Okay, let's get started. Look at the table right here. You need to understand the keywords right here. These keywords right here will help you understand the side of the rate of change. This keyword right here tell you the rate of change should be positive. This keyword right here tell you the rate of change should be negative. Now keep in mind the variable side always on the left, the constants always on the right. Now let's take a look at the first example. Solve one-step equation work problem. In the 2004 Olympics, Sean Crawford won the 200-meter dash. His winning time was 19.79 seconds. Alright, so this is T, time. 200, this is distance. Find his average speed, alright, which means you need to find the rate, to the nearest 10 of a meter per second, okay? So you know that distance always equal the rate multiplied by time. Distance in this situation, it should be 200. The rate right here, we don't know it, we put rate. Multiplied by 19.79. Alright, now I need to find the average speed. So I need to divide both sides by 19.79. Alright, so this and this cancel out. I have R left right here. So I take 200 divided by 19.79. 200 divided by 19.79. It's going to be 10.1. Now, since you need to round to the nearest tenth, so it should be 10.1. So this should be 10.1. Alright, so R equal 10.1 meter per second. This is the answer. Now, let's move on to number 2. The pressure at the surface of the water is 2,117 pounds per square foot. The pressure increased, so here's the keyword. It tells us that this is positive rate of change. At a rate 64 pounds per square foot for each foot the diver descends. Find the depth at which the diver experiences as a pressure of 8,517 pounds per square feet. So you need to know that the pressure at the given depth right here equal the pressure at the surface plus the rate of change of the pressure multiplied by the diver's depth, right? So the question asks you find the depth. We don't know the depth, so we put this D. So I have D right here, right? Now the pressure at given depth, the pressure at given depth should be right here. 8,517 equal the pressure at the surface. It should be 2,117 pounds plus rate of change of pressure. So this should be 64 right here, 64 pounds per square foot for each foot right here. So this is 64 multiplied by D. Okay, so this is two-step equation. So basically, I just subtract 2,117 both sides. Alright, so this one cancel out. The left hand side should be 64D. The right hand side should be this is 6,400. Alright, I divide both sides by 64. So D should be equal 100. So it should be 100 meter. Alright, let's move on to number 3. So there are 31 students went on a field trip. So this is a total. So I put 331 right here. Alright, because the question asks you how many students were in each bus. So it's going to be right here. I don't know how many students. I put it as, right? But I know there are 6 buses. So the total number of students in 6 buses should be 6 multiplied by S, right? Okay. Now, there are 7 students left, right? So this is last 7 students travel in cars. So this one equals 331. Okay. Now I just subtract 7 both sides. So this is cancel out. I have 6S, right? Equal 324. Alright, so I divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So this in this case allows S equal 54. Alright, so the answer is there are 64 students in each bus. And this is a good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.